Hello, welcome to this video for the Ford Ranger 3.2 Wildtrak, and this is a Raptor conversion. So it's got the Raptor body kit, wheel arches, the big wheels, the off-road all-terrain tyres as well, and these little bits like this light guard. So a really nice looking pickup truck, very nice looking. As you can see there, pickup of the year 2013, international pickup of the year 2013. So yeah, very good looking vehicle indeed. So this vehicle previously sold by us, then the lady that had it decided she needs something with a boot for security, and she traded it back in for a Land Rover Discovery. So yeah, she bought one of those instead. So a very good looking vehicle, in obviously a rare colour as well. So not many of these are in white. So this one, it's just had recently it's just had the wheel arches. If you look at the wheel arches, textured finish. So this has had 4 brand new wheel arches, and I'll tell you why. Because one of them had a slight crack in it, and we decided, you know what, let's just buy 4 brand new ones. So it's got 4 brand new wheel arches on that one, because you know you can't really repair these things without them looking a bit odd. So we decided, let's get 4 brand new ones on. As you can see, they're all brand new. The tyres are almost new as well, plenty of tread. If you're not familiar with these type of tyres, let me pre-warn you, because of these tyres are what they call the knobbly off-road all-terrain tyres. There is a lot of road noise from these, so you can hear the road noise on these. Everyone will tell you, I mean, they look absolutely beautiful, but the road noise, you have to obviously compensate. So yeah, that's the only downside to having the knobbly tyres. As you can see, the condition is very good. It's got this lovely graphite grey surround for the bumper, the big Ford badge there, the white lower grille there, silver spotlight surrounds there at the bottom. Bonnet's in very good condition. Obviously, because it's white, it's very forgiving, as well as, you know, white vehicles do hide a lot of blemishes, etc. This has got the dark graphite little side grills there. So it's the 3.2 Wildtrak. So the Wildtrak means it's got a lot more extras. This has got the obviously graphite grey backs the wing mirrors as well. There's actually a lot of extras. So let's just go around the bodywork first. As you can see, it's in very good condition. It's got these lovely stickers there. It's also got the roll top there with the security lock, the mounting top, should we say. That's what it's called, the mounting top security shutter, should we say. And that's lockable as well, and that's lockable there as well. So it's got the 2 locks on. It's got the tow bar as well, as you can see. It's also got the reverse camera, as you can see there. So the reverse camera, let's have a look inside here then. So if you look in here, there's the 4 arches, the old ones. It's also got the plug there. I don't know if you can see that. There's a plug down there as well, an external plug for it. It's got this black lined protective. It's got these lovely aluminium rear light surrounds as well, which really finish it off. And the wheel arches are nice and clean, just been valeted by our man John. Got these mud flaps as well, or mud guards, should we say, in very good condition. In fact, they look new, very good condition. These wheels are the XD series. Got the side steps there as well. It's got the wind deflectors, on all 4 windows. It's got the silver roof rails. Back of that mirror is nice and clean, as you can see. It's got the heated front windscreen. The windscreen is in very good condition. No major chips, no scratches or cracks, should we say, on that. Okay, so that's the outside sorted. Let's take a look at the back. Open the back. So we've got the lovely Wildtrak car mat set as well. We've got 5 seats, 5 full leather seats, which is the black and the orange decor, shall we say, and orange stitching. Got the cream roof lining, which is nice and clean. Got a 12-volt supply there at the rear. Some magazine holders at the back of the seats. They're all nice and tidy. No rips and tears. The leather's very good in the back here, and it doesn't smell of smoke or dogs. So yeah, that's a good sign. These door cards are pretty good, to be fair. Pretty good. So it looks like nothing's been rubbing on there. Nothing's been wedged in. These are nice here. All the door shuts are nice. It is HPI clear as well. So not being damaged, not being subject to an insurance claim at all, this one. HPI clear. Well, that door card's very good condition. I'm surprised how clean it is for the mileage. So it's covered 104,555 last time I looked at the speedo. It's got the rear tinted window as well there. Embroidered Wildtrak car mats. It's got the heated front seat, so this one is heated. The passenger one's heated. It's a manual operational seat, this one. I think the driver's is electric. So that's all nice and clean. As you can see, there's no wear and tear on that bolster at all. No cigarette burns, no scratches, no greasy headrest, etc. So very clean. It was a lady that had this last. It's got the V5 here as well. It's all there, the MOT. It's got the little conversion thing there for the tow bar. Conversion adapter as well. Well, that door shut's really clean. Down here as well, all nice and clean. Engine sounds really good as well. Really good. Driver's door. Very clean. 4 electric windows, of course, the child locking windows as well. All this is clean. Pedals are nice and clean. For mileage, it's very good condition. Just looking down here as well, yeah, very clean. I'm pleasantly surprised how clean this one is. How's this bolster looking for the mileage? Oh, amazing, amazing, very good. Obviously this here, a little bit of cracking there. 99.9% of these Rangers have the same problem. That's a design fault by Ford. Now these are covered under warranty for the first 3 years. Ford would replace those, because we have actually had a few of these what are under 3 years old, and we've took them back and Ford have done it, so honoured it. That's one is not bad actually, for that mileage. That's not bad at all. Heated seat, as you can see, electric as well. All that's nice and clean down here. You've got your storage bin here, some other storage bin there. They've got the electric folding mirrors, so that button there's for the folding. We go like that, there we go, and press it again, and it goes out. 2 keys, 2 remote locking keys, which is good. Let me just jump in here. Right, okay, let's get inside. A little bit quieter. Steering wheel controls, as you can see, the phone controls, the cruise control on and off controls. The mileage there, 104,555, yes. Just over quarter a tank of fuel there. The range, it says there, 114 miles. The wiper store, the automatic light switch there as well. What have we got on here? So the headlight adjuster there for the up and down. We've got the Bluetooth, as you can see, the Bluetooth logo down there. This one, we have got the map, yeah, so it is okay. We have to press okay there. So that's the sat nav with the map there. And then obviously we've got the usual stuff like the CD, radio, aux and phone. We've got the menu for the nav, central locking button, hazards, info, etc. Everything's there. We've got the dual zone climate. It's got the left and right heat settings, so that's nice and clear. What else have we got down here? We've got the switchable four-wheel drive system. So obviously it's on 2 high now, which is obviously the normal height, the normal drive, sorry. 2 very clean drinks holders there, a nice handbrake gaiter lever, and there in the centre armrest here, that's all nice, no wear and tear on the stitching whatsoever. Got a little tray here which we pull out and we can reveal a cubby hole there. It's actually got a little heater vent there, so when you put the aircon on, put some cans in there, it'll cool the cans down. Okay, you've got the hill descent button there if you're doing that off-roading stuff. Also got here the 12 volt. We've also got here, we've got the aux and a USB input port there. I don't know if you just see it's a bit dark under there, so it's got the USB as well, and then we've got another 12 volt as well. A little coin tray down there, it's very dark. Let's see if we can brighten that up. No, okay. Then we've got the obviously the automatic gear lever there as well. On top of that, if we look up here, put the thing in reverse, and then all of a sudden a rear view camera appears in the rear view mirror. So that's a very unique feature of this one. As you can see, you can clearly see the tow bar sticking out there, so it's ideal for reversing and hitching up. Okay, put that back into park, count to 3, and that should disappear. Yep, like that. So okay, up here we've got a sunglasses holder, as you can see. Okay, that's about it. Let's look under the bonnet. So we pull the bonnet here, just there. Just rev the engine so you can hear it, yeah? Oh, lovely. Okay, so that up here, as you can see, it's a 3.2 Torque TDCi. Sounds absolutely gorgeous. Bright red antifreeze there, coolant, been properly serviced, got a Bosch battery, a proper branded Bosch battery as well. All this is all clean under here. Very original. Lovely. Okay, let's just put this down.